Get ready to elevate your skills with the Caliber Power Ladder from rabbits to rhinos. This dynamic video series takes you on a transformative journey, showcasing powerful techniques and strategies designed to help you unleash your true potential. Whether you're looking to build confidence, overcome challenges, or enhance your performance, this series is packed with actionable insights that will propel you from timid to unstoppable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on your path to greatness. Number 5. The 6.5mm Creedmoor has rapidly gained a reputation as one of the top choices for long-range shooting enthusiasts, and for good reason. Designed to offer exceptional ballistics and precision, it stands out particularly when paired with AR-15 platforms. After extensive testing and comparison with other cartridges, it's clear that the 6.5mm Creedmoor excels in delivering accuracy and performance across various shooting scenarios. One of the key highlights of the 6.5mm Creedmoor is its impressive ballistic coefficient, which contributes to its flat trajectory and reduced wind drift. This makes it a favorite among competitive shooters and hunters alike, as it allows for more effective shots at extended distances. Whether you're targeting small game or engaging in long-range competitions, this cartridge provides the reliability and consistency needed to hit your mark. In terms of recoil, the 6.5mm Creedmoor offers a manageable experience that is particularly appealing for those who may be sensitive to heavier calibers. This makes it an excellent choice for new shooters and seasoned marksmen alike, allowing for rapid follow-up shots without the fatigue often associated with more powerful rounds. Moreover, the versatility of the 6.5mm Creedmoor is noteworthy. It performs exceptionally well in various conditions, whether you're shooting at the range or out in the field. The availability of high-quality ammunition options further enhances its usability, providing shooters with plenty of choices to match their specific needs and preferences. Number 4. The 4570 Government cartridge is a true classic in the world of firearms, renowned for its power and historical significance. Originally developed in 1873 for the U.S. Army, this cartridge has stood the test of time, remaining a favorite among hunters and shooting enthusiasts alike. Whether you're taking down large game or simply enjoying a day at the range, the 4570 offers an unforgettable shooting experience. One of the standout features of the 4570 Government is its impressive stopping power. With a wide range of bullet weights available, from lighter 300-grain projectiles to heavier 500-grain options, this cartridge can deliver devastating performance on game such as elk, moose, and even bears. Its ability to retain energy over long distances makes it a reliable choice for hunters who need to make accurate shots. In addition to its impressive ballistics, the 4570 is also celebrated for its versatility. It can be chambered in a variety of classic firearms, including single-shot rifles, lever-action models, and even some modern bolt-action rifles. This wide range of options allows shooters to choose a platform that fits their personal preferences, whether they lean towards traditional designs or contemporary innovations. Another aspect that makes the 4570 Government so appealing is its historical significance. As a part of American firearms history, it has been used in various conflicts and has a rich legacy that resonates with enthusiasts. Number 3. The .270 Winchester stands out as one of the most popular hunting cartridges, and for good reason. Renowned for its flat trajectory and impressive energy retention downrange, this caliber has earned a loyal following among hunters for decades. The .270 Winchester excels in delivering consistent accuracy, making it an ideal choice for a variety of game, from deer to elk. Its design allows for minimal bullet drop over long distances, enabling precision shots that can greatly enhance your effectiveness in the field. Whether you're stalking through dense forests or setting up at a distance, the .270's performance gives you the confidence to make that shot count. One of the key advantages of the .270 is its versatility. Available in a range of bullet weights and types, it can be tailored to suit your specific hunting needs. From lightweight bullets for varmint hunting to heavier options for larger game, this caliber adapts well to different hunting environments and conditions.
Moreover, the .270 Winchester is known for its manageable recoil, making it a great option for both seasoned hunters and newcomers alike. This allows for quicker follow-up shots without sacrificing accuracy, an essential factor when dealing with live game. In conclusion, the .270 Winchester is a time-tested hunting round that combines flash-shooting capabilities with good energy retention, making it a top choice for hunters seeking reliability and performance. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting your hunting journey.
Number 2. The 7mm 08 Remington. Designed for a range of game, this cartridge has gained a strong following among hunters who appreciate its accuracy and manageable recoil. After extensive testing and field use, it's clear that the 7mm 08 Remington stands out as a top choice for both novice and experienced hunters alike. One of the most appealing aspects of the 7mm 08 Remington is its versatility. It's capable of taking down everything from deer to larger game such as elk, making it an excellent all-around cartridge. The bullet selection available for the 7mm 08 is impressive, ranging from lightweight projectiles for varmint hunting to heavier options for big game. This allows hunters to tailor their ammunition choice to specific hunting scenarios, ensuring optimal performance in the field. Accuracy is another hallmark of the 7mm 08 Remington. Many shooters report impressive precision, with tight groupings at both short and long ranges. This is particularly important for hunters who need to make ethical shots, as it translates into better placement and less chance of wounding an animal. The cartridge's flat trajectory aids in maintaining accuracy over longer distances, making it a favorite among those who enjoy open country hunting. Recoil is often a concern for shooters, especially when selecting a cartridge for younger or less experienced hunters. The 7mm 08 Remington strikes a perfect balance, offering manageable recoil that allows for quick follow-up shots. Number 1. The 7mm PRC, also known as the 7mm Precision Rifle Cartridge, is making waves in the long-range hunting and shooting community, and for good reason. As a newer addition to the cartridge family, it has quickly garnered a reputation for its exceptional performance, combining high energy with impressive bullet weight, making it a standout choice for serious marksmen and hunters alike. One of the key features of the 7mm PRC is its ability to deliver outstanding ballistics. With a flatter trajectory and minimal wind drift, this cartridge excels in long-range scenarios, allowing shooters to engage targets effectively at extended distances. Whether you're taking down game or participating in precision shooting competitions, the 7mm PRC offers the accuracy and power needed to succeed. The bullet weight options available for the 7mm PRC are versatile, catering to a variety of game sizes and shooting preferences. From lighter bullets that provide rapid expansion and minimal recoil, to heavier options that ensure deep penetration and maximum energy transfer. This cartridge allows hunters to tailor their ammunition choices to specific situations. This adaptability is a significant advantage, making it suitable for everything from deer to elk and even larger game. Moreover, the 7mm PRC is designed for efficiency, allowing for higher muzzle velocities without excessive recoil. This means shooters can maintain accuracy shot after shot, a crucial factor when hunting or engaging in long-range shooting. The cartridge's engineering minimizes barrel wear while maximizing terminal performance, ensuring longevity and reliability.